That's good. That's really good.
Hey y'all, join me today as I show you how to make these crunchy chicken nuggets where there's no flour and no pork rinds needed. Let's go. For my chicken nuggets, I'm going to use this diced chicken breast made by Perdue. And what I like about it is that it's already cut up into nuggets, so the hard part is done for you. It does cost a little bit extra, but to me it pays off in the end. And for the breading, I'm actually using these breadless crumbs that I found at Aldi. Now there are 4 things that I like about these breadless crumbs. First, it's lower in calories than your typical flour. Second of all, it's lower in carbs. Third, it does not taste like peas, I promise. And fourth, it looks and feels just like breadcrumbs. So to begin, I'm going to measure out 4 ounces of the chicken nuggets. 4 ounces is a serving. Now to the chicken, I'm going to add a little bit of salt and pepper to taste, but feel free to add other seasonings that you love on your chicken nuggets. You could also add these seasonings to the breadless crumbs as well. Now to help the breadless crumbs stick to the chicken, I'm going to pour just a tiny bit of egg whites onto the chicken. I like to use the liquid egg whites because they're more convenient, and plus they're lower in calories than just your typical whole egg. After giving the chicken a good toss into the liquid egg whites, I'm going to now go ahead and coat them in the breadless crumbs. Now after I've coated my chicken nuggets, I'm going to put them on my air fryer basket, which I have sprayed with a non-stick cooking spray, just so that they do not stick as they're cooking. Now before I place my nuggets into the air fryer, I'm just going to spritz them with a little bit of non-stick cooking spray, which will help them brown on top when they are in the air fryer. All right, I'm gonna set my air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to preheat it for about 2 minutes. And then when it hits the 10-minute mark, I'm going to stick my chicken nuggets in the air fryer and let them cook for 10 minutes. And they should be perfectly done throughout and ready for me to eat. All right, y'all, my nuggets are done. And what I'm gonna do now is take one and cut it open just to make sure it is cooked throughout. I always like to choose the biggest one because if the biggest one is done, then of course all the smaller ones are done as well. All right, y'all, it is time to give these flourless fried nuggets a try. Let me get a thick one. That's good. That's really good. Y'all, the pea protein, you can't taste it. It does not make the chicken taste like peas. It's just, it tastes just like breadcrumbs or flour that you would typically fry your chicken in. So that's awesome. The only place I have found these has been Aldi. But, you know, you can definitely order them online, and I'm sure there's other grocery stores out there that have the breadless crumbs, but y'all need to give it a try. So if you're on a low carb diet or on a wheat-free diet, definitely try those, the breadless crumbs. That's delicious. All right, y'all, see you in the next video. Bye.